Hey, grade 4, very good afternoon. In the last class, we discussed about lithosphere. Still, we have few more spheres left, and in today's class, we discussed hydrosphere and atmosphere. So, let me explain you once again. So, we'll start with atmosphere first. Yes. So, atmosphere, as you have already learned in grade 3, the blanket of air that surrounds the Earth's surface is called atmosphere. So, once again, I'll repeat atmosphere is a layer of air or a blanket of air that surrounds the Earth. Sir, what does the atmosphere contains? The atmosphere contains nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. So, these are the gases that we can see in the layer of the atmosphere, but we can't see, only we can feel. Yes. Moving on to the next, we have the purpose. So, what is the purpose of having atmosphere? If we don't have, what will happen? So, it protects the earth by not letting it to get too hot or too cold. So, it also prevents the harmful rays from the sun. So, it prevents, and it also prevents the earth and the people living on the earth not to get too hot or not to get too cold. So this is the one such purpose of having atmosphere, and it's a great advantage of having atmosphere. Okay, fine. So moving on to the next, we have hydrosphere. So you already know 3 by 4th of the earth is covered with water. Water? What sorts of water bodies? So these may be oceans, sea, rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. So what is the large water body among these? Of course, it is ocean. Ocean is the largest water body. So hydrosphere not only includes these water bodies, it may also includes snow, ice, or even to some extent it covers water vapor as well. So all these comes under hydrosphere. So let me concentrate on oceans. So why do we concentrate only on oceans? What about seas? Don't we have seas? Don't we have rivers? Don't we have ponds? Yeah, of course. But around most part of the earth is covered by oceans, right? So that's why we are concentrating much on oceans. Fine. So we have 5 oceans. You already learned. So let me go in the alphabetical order. The first and foremost ocean is the Atlantic Ocean, which is the second largest and most saltiest ocean. So moving on to the next, Arctic Ocean. Most of the people commit mistake here, so you may forget to write sea in between. So it's Arctic Ocean. It's partly covered with ice. So partly means half or not completely. It's half covered with ice. So moving on to the third, our Indian Ocean. So it is the warmest and third largest ocean in the world. Moving on the fourth, we have Pacific Ocean, which is the largest ocean, and it covers 46% of the earth water surface. And last but not the least, we have Southern Ocean. As the name itself measures, tells us south. Okay, so almost it has to be located in the bottom. Yes, so it is found in the lower half of the earth. It merges with Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. So Southern Ocean go and merges with these 3 oceans. I think this is the reason why Pacific Ocean is the very largest. Can you do a research on this and get back me the results? Fine. Shall you all go to the self-work activity now? I thought of giving you 3 self-work activities. The activity which is in your companion page number 23, 6A. So complete that activity first. Then you can move on to the second activity which is in your social studies studio volume 1 in page number 118, exercise number 6.6. And after completion, you can concentrate on exercise number 6.7 in page 119 and page 120. So this is your social self-work today. I hope you had a wonderful session and interactive too. So that's all for today's class. We'll take up and we'll meet very soon tomorrow.